This new fast charging pickup truck by Double E is my favorite. It mimics the Cybertruck. It looks so real. The details are exquisite. They made this Cybertruck so well. I don't even know where to begin. It has a crab walking feature, so it avoids obstacles. It has two-wheel or also four-wheel crab walking feature, so all four wheels turn at the same time. Different directions or the same direction. It also has a cool horn feature. So cool. And a headlight feature. Charging is my favorite part about this car. It comes with this new environmentally designed charging port to mimic the electric charging port for the Cybertruck. Simply plug it into a USB outlet, and then this plugs into the Cybertruck to charge it. It is very cool. It has a LED light up display so you know how fully charged your vehicle is. You can click the button to easily switch between 4 driving modes. It also has 4-wheel drive options and 2-wheel drive. Overall, this is a great gift and I highly recommend it.